If you're looking to turn your passions into profit, then look no further than inside yourself, inside your heart. Find the thing that makes you blissful, the thing that lights you up and ignites within your core, the thing that you would do for free if only the world would allow you to. And then recognize that you can actually make that your career. My name is Mark-Angelo Coppola, and I'm a philanthropreneur and storyteller. Not just because I say I am, but because I choose to be it every single day. And well, people have chosen to support me in that because I support them in making that a reality, helping them step into their freedom and into their empowerment that enables us to truly turn our passions into profits. So I created a course, simple, straight to the point, no nonsense way that you can make this happen. The action steps and the trail of breadcrumbs that apply to anyone looking to be an entrepreneur, creative, freelancer, or influencer. People who are looking to make a living doing what they love. So if you're at all curious about how you can do this too, then join us in the free class on the 3 proven steps it takes for you to turn your passion into profits. See you in the classroom.